Let me take you guys on a journey of how to do lashes extensions. So stay tuned because I'm going to break it down bit by bit. But before we continue, take a look at this my model. She's so pretty, isn't she? She's so pretty. The first thing we did was to wash the lashes with soap. Hey, remember, lashes has its own soap, not ordinary soap. It has its own soap. Before you go and use detergent on your customer's face. My hand no deal. So after washing, the next thing we did was to rinse the lashes. For rinsing, I use pure water. I make sure I use clean water to avoid eye irritation. If you like, use anyhow water now. Use Sabi. So after rinsing, the next thing we did was to dry with our lashes fan, our mini lashes fan. And you have to make sure you dry very well before the next step. The next step is putting our under eye patch. This is where you have to be extremely careful. Because at this point, if you make a mistake, you will end up gumming your customer's eye. So at this point, you have to be very, very So you have to careful. Secure her under eyelashes very well to avoid gumming with the upper one during your process. At this point, you're supposed to drop your thank you in the comment section. Don't be too stingy with your thank you now. Drop it in the comment section. What continue. I'm putting now is the primer. At this point, you have to tell your customer or your client to close her eyes before putting your primer. In fact, tell her to sleep. Because from this moment, she will not open her eyes again until you are done with your lashes extension process. Funny enough, some clients find it very difficult to sleep, especially if it's their first time of doing lashes extension. After putting your primer, the next thing you will do is to dry. Make sure you dry very well. Anyone you're putting, dry very well though. It's very important. Those things will make your lashes last. The main work don't start till the main installation have started. During installations, you have to make sure you isolate very well to avoid the whole lashes gumming together or sticking together. So after your installation, the next thing you have to do is to put your super bonder. Sorry, I didn't show you guys where I was putting that particular one. After putting your super bonder, you dry it with your lashes fan. You dry very well before removing your under eye patch and your upper tape. So after removing the tapes, we are done with our lashes process. Stay tuned for the final result. Meanwhile, we are doing promo for lashes extensions training. In case if you want to register, our promo fee for lashes extensions is 50,000 naira. Limited offer, 50,000 naira. My studio is located in Lagos mainland by Stele Express. My people, my lovers, we are done creating this masterpiece. Take a look at this beauty. Take a look at this beauty. You can see how neat it is. Come and register for your training. No limited offer. 50,000 naira for lashes extension. Your client can only be this happy if you gave her what she wanted. And as you can see, she's very happy. Thank you guys for watching. See you in my next video. If you have any question, drop it in the comment section. See you guys later. Bye bye.